新幹線0ですね。うん。ホラーゲームを始めましょうですね。うんうん。言いましたね。と言いましたね。そう。Alright. It's really bright. Was it this bright before? It's really bright. It's really bright. Was it that bright before? Six. Oh. It was, but I think there was another anomaly there. It was like the posters or something, right? Eh? どこですか? Him not being there, that's an anomaly, right? What? It was. Okay. Oh, I didn't look up here. Was that always there? Oh, I didn't take in everything. I feel like maybe I should just like reset. Maybe I should really take in everything. Okay. This is probably gonna be wrong, but if we start out at cart at 7 again. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Because I think this is wrong. And if this is wrong, then that means that the next time we get to the cart, I should like... Alright. So we're probably gonna start from... I think I got something wrong. So we're gonna start over? Yeah. Okay. So... what was wrong? Alright. 猫カフェで待ってるにゃん? That can't be right. That can't be right. Well, how am I gonna learn if that place was right? Oh man, I should have really paid more attention. Turn back if there's an anomaly. Alright. 猫カフェで待ってるにゃん。このカートは多分いいんだね。多分ね。多分ね。やったー。猫カフェ待ってるにゃん。Is this okay? Is this also okay? I'm trying to remember the signs. I remember these two. 多分ね。東京。What wasn't right? Wait. Oh, this is mirrored. That one's obvious. Alright. Oh, okay. So it was good. That one was fine. Nako cafe de matteru nyan. It's hard to tell. I think this one might be fine. I think this one's okay. You know what? I'm gonna go. I could be convinced of anything, and also my memory's so bad that I'm like, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna say it's fine. I'm gonna stick to that gun. Cart 4. Heh. Yup. Alright. Nako cafe de matteru nyan. I don't think so. I think this one might be good. Wow. Let's go. Okay. Is this one also okay? Alright, let's go. Wow. Neko cafe de matteru nyan. Don't the lights seem brighter? But I don't know. The lights look strange. ライトは多分本当に眩しいね。I think I'm gonna go back. I think there's a subtle anomaly here. I think I'm gonna go back. Oh! Whoa! Okay. There was something. I think it's okay. Whoa. That's an anomaly. We turn back, right? Turn back if there's an anomaly. That's an anomaly. And it was a pretty obvious one too. Yo! Wait. Hold on. Conductor's room. So we just go. Hold. Clear blue car. Blue stage. Wait, there's more? Wow. Turn back if no anomaly. What is an anomaly? Oh. Excuse me. Are you an anomaly? Alright. They wouldn't show me a car that might or might not have an anomaly, right? So like... Don't go back? First one's reference. Okay. Alright. Oh, I get it. Wait, why are you looking at me? She didn't do that before. That feels like an anomaly, right? Yeah. Yeah? Turn back if no anomaly, but that was weird. You good? Alright. Well, that's an anomaly. Right? That was weird. Where'd that guy go? Alright. So turn back if... Oh, I'm still trying to get used to that. Who are you? Did I miss you this entire time? No. Right? No, I would have noticed. So that's an anomaly. Right? She's been there the entire time? What? You're kidding me. You know what is? This seat light. Yeah? This seat light is an anomaly, yeah? Right? Oh, I was right. I was correct. Yatta. So it's harder to look into them. And? Hand! Hand! Well. Oh no. Use her as strength. But anyways, we should get going. We should keep turn back of no anomaly. That's definitely an anomaly. That is totally an anomaly. Alright, he sits down every time. I noticed that. It's always like that? What? Are you normal? You can be honest. It's not? I think it is. Wow. Alright. I think it might be normal. And if it's not, then we know sitting down speed is a thing. Okay, so sit down speed doesn't matter. That's good to know. Okay. Well. Conductor's room. Clear green car. We did it. Huh? Can I get off? Wait. Mabushi. What? Ending 1. What? Get off the train. Clear. Clear しました. Hey? Hey? What? Wow. No anomaly in this area. Oh wait, but wait, it's not looping, so I just run. Right? I just run. Why just go? Because it's not running, so it's not doing the loop thing. Okay. Yeah. 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 I tried to open it. It wouldn't let me. Sotto. Ah! Kawaii! Scary! Kawasugiru! Hey! Ah! Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Ha, 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 ha. Ah. Scary. Scary. I didn't turn around to see what was going on. I just ran. Oh. 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 Well. At least they're happy. Oh. Sad. Oh, now there's music. Wow. I like this song. It's safe to use on YouTube. Your injury almost killed you, so you saw them. Oh. Woke up from sitting too long. Oh, funny. I was gonna say that's really funny because when I visited Japan, I actually did collapse on the train. When I visited Japan, in my case, I think it's that it was really, really crowded. And I have I've got you know, I think the air got so thin that I just I just started to I fell over. It happens also in the West, you know. It always happens. I tend to get lightheaded when there's a really busy train. And you know, Japanese trains tend to get really busy. So I passed out. それじゃ今おやすみね Good night. I will see you later. じゃあねおやすみ Good night. Bye bye.